Hello everyone, my name is Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to mint TOC. Alright, so once we are in the Money on Chain website, in the dApp, we're gonna go using the side menu. We're gonna click on TOC. This is very simple and it only takes a few steps. Then here, we will choose how many Bitcoin we want to mint and how many TOC we want to get. So basically I'm gonna click for $10. Actually, let's do less. I'm gonna do $5, and it automatically will calculate how much Bitcoin I need in order to get this many TOCs. If you see here where it says total available, if I were to click here, it would automatically calculate the maximum amount of TOCs I can get with all the Bitcoins I have in my wallet at that time. But I'm gonna do 5 because I want to make sure, actually let's do less, let's do 2, because I want to make sure that I have enough BTC left for the fees. So the Money on Chain platform, it's cheaper to use if you have the MOC token, but you don't need to have it. We can see that the fee is 0.25, so you're only saving a 0.05. It's not that much, especially if we're doing $2, it's gonna be pretty much nothing. But anyway, so to back up, you put in here the amount of dollars that you want to get. The system is automatically gonna calculate how much Bitcoin you need, and the fee is gonna be calculated automatically as well, and you can toggle back and forth with this little thing, and then you just click mint. And here we get like the final overview, which is, okay, you're gonna spend this much Bitcoin, it's gonna give you this many USD, which is the same amount in TOC. So we're gonna get 2 USD, which is 2 TOC, and the fee is gonna be 0.25, which is 0.05 MOC tokens. And we just click continue. And then it's asked to send the transaction in your wallet. We're gonna be popped up. Depending on the wallet you're using, this is gonna be different for you. If you're using a hardware wallet, then you're gonna have to manually click the confirmation, and then we just confirm it. And the transaction, it's gonna take a little bit to go through. The block time in Rootstock, I think it's around 30 seconds per block. So depending on the amount of confirmations that we are waiting for, it might take a couple minutes, maybe. It shouldn't take too long. I'm just gonna skip through. So, oh, okay, well, it's actually faster than I anticipated. So anyway, now in TOC amount, we can see that we have $2. Now that 0.1 is I had it from before, so yeah, it's $2, and that's it. Anytime you wanna mint new dollars, all you need to do is come to the TOC section, put how much money you wanna get. It's gonna calculate the amount of Bitcoin. You choose whether to pay with MOC or with BTC. You click mint. That's it. It's very simple. And once they're in your wallet, you can do whatever you want with them. And you don't need to store them at a bank or anything like that. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And feel free, if you're watching this on social media, to check out Independent Academy. And if you have any questions or anything, just leave it either in the comments or come to the Academy and post it in our feed. Alright, thank you and see you in the next one.